Yes, welcome to Jamaica Young Police Channel. To all loyal viewers, subscribers, and Patreon members, we appreciate your continued support. At our channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who firmly believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior, and respect those who disregard these principles. We strongly believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. Yes, preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of life. Now, that's a logical conclusion. Our mission is clear: to save lives and stand against criminals. We are a platform, not for criminals. We don't seek your views, subscriptions, likes, thumbs up, or comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. This channel is a sanctuary for justice. We firmly believe criminals belong in prison or the departure lounge at Madden's. So help me God and nowhere else. If you are new to the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we invite you to subscribe by clicking the subscription button and selecting all on the bell. You will stay informed whenever we release a new video. This channel is not about entertainment. It's about education, inspiration, and motivation. We aim to instill a deep-seated hatred to criminals and corrupt police officers who are robbing the people, whether they're drugs or their property. We hate thieving police officers with a passion. Additionally, we have a Patreon channel where you can access exclusive videos that are unavailable on YouTube due to its rules and regulations. By subscribing to our Patreon, you support our cause, which thank you for being a part of our community. Now, let's move on to today's video. Yes, I want to use this opportunity to big up all of the Patreon members, yes, who have reached out to yours truly, and you know how to do it already. You know that all you have to do is just text me, and we can have a private conversation. Yeah, you understand what I'm saying? So you know how it is, and we appreciate your response. As we say, if you agree with everything that we are doing over here, that means we are creating a cult, and we don't want that. We want people to think. So there are some of you, you complain and we listen. So that's why we do a follow-up video about this issue now. So and we just wanted to be clear that that reporter is not defending Detective Thomas' alleged involvement in criminal activities. I am just questioning why the Firearm License Authority doesn't revoke the gun licenses of known violence producers like Kevin Tiliba Roberts, a notorious drug dealer and a gang leader. That's the man at the bottom. We're not defending Detective Constable Thomas. You understand, him a carousing based on the information received and obtained. But a man is innocent until proven guilty, and we cannot be using these kind of willy-nilly and intelligence, and because this and that, which is good still, you can use it, but that's not evidence in court. You understand? Look at that man at the bottom. Tiliba has never been convicted of any crime, but yet he's a known violence producer, even by the same police department. And they even all, if you type in the Jamaican Gleaner and the Observer, you'll see that his name has mentioned a few times as a violence producer by the Jamaica Constabulary Force. So what we're saying is that we're not defend Constable Thomas now. So as we say already, and we say it again, we not like thieving police. We're not business that owe the guy. So the reason why here we say that and them thing, and I defend Detective Constable Thomas. Because we don't know him. Even if we know him, we would still call him out same way. That's why I think enough police and like we and them thing because we don't want the balls in a guy and we not tell hey look here. Most people that we used to be friends with, we are not friends with them anymore because we tell them the truth. We tell you we have a virgin where we know from with our training school and them thing there. We used to work all that south, live nearby and them thing there. And we are the man Irie. And just because I tell the man the truth, me and the man him vex with me and them thing there, yeah, years now. And we don't know say because him ego, it's all about ego and them thing that man feel say, you're not supposed to talk to them certain way. We don't know that, because we are telling you the truth, I just saw it go. So as we tell you say, as we say, this gang leader, alright, so we are telling you now, so this note, say Tilly Boy is a notorious drug dealer and gang leader. And George Pang, yeah, George Pang was from my community. I know George Pang, them call him Power Man, Pepper, and all kind of name and them thing there, yeah. And people in my community, Lord revere him and celebrate him as a known criminal and violence producer. And him still like done and them thing in a Jonestown. You understand? Even although, yeah, alright, like some people say, so alright, like violence producer, so yeah, try to save George Pang life. That's our job, you understand what I'm saying? We're not supposed to be biased in a way, you understand? Because Rick, they want to kill him. And him still, him see him and subscribe to them and I say, they might tell him, say, boy, me a liar than him thing there. Me and George Pang and a friend, me and Rick Dick and a friend. What's in it for me? You understand? He know that they want to kill him and them thing there. You understand what I'm saying? But if you want to believe, what's a criminal stay in it? Because remember saying if you be a criminal, you cannot be an honest person. So, as we tell you already now, so we tell you say George Pang is accused of, of killing hundreds of Jamaicans while swiftly revoking the gun license of a cop. Yeah, so them revoke the license of the same policeman, Detective Thomas. Them say him involved in all kind of killing and this and that, and him a gang leader or gang member as a police officer. You can't be police and criminal at the same time. That no make it, brother. You understand? Wrong thing that. Although him pass and gone, and we have our condolences already to his mother. We have watched some video in which they said the mother in a denial about her son, which is true because she's not the only person. She's not the only mother because I have spoken to a mother whose son, yeah, her son is one of Rev, yeah man, see him Godfrey Martin Rev second in a Westmoreland, and we're gonna do a story about that too. Yeah, may I tell you. And she defend for her criminal son too. I just saw it go. Yeah, so I'm moving on. So so this glaring disparity highlights deep-seated inequalities in our system of government. So think about it. How is it acceptable to strip a police officer of his right to bear arms while allowing dangerous criminals to remain armed? Make that make sense to me? Yeah, because them disarm Detective Constable Thomas, and yet still you have known violence producer, man, we have access to AK-47, M16 rifle and all kind of thing. That I see, man, yeah man, Kevin Tiliba Roberts. Him have whole if a big shot friend we are in our police force, we not ask you, we know that. We know that for a fact. We not ask, we are tell you. You understand? We are talking about Deputy Commissioner of Police. We don't know if him under Commissioner of Police, because you have to understand, they must say Owen Ellington, him not care about them man, I just money them man care about, and I feel him never a Commissioner of Police. Never say that yet in our history in our Jamaica Constabulary Force. Nepotism is rife, where a man, where two persons from the same family become Commissioner of Police. So, and so the first one was corrupt to the core. So this one must be corrupt. Why them select him? Because the man of Jamaica is criminal's paradise, So you have two cops, two cops who want to be gangsters and lose. Them lose, Detective Thomas and Constable Fidel Beckford were gangsters in uniform, and the system disarmed them and left them to be killed by their rivals. So I just saw it go police. If you involved in a criminality and a done business and all of them things and gang, they must strip your gun and leave you out there for them kill you. Alright, so I can so the reason why I came out in regards with this policeman, and him, I not defend him and him criminality, but just I defend about the them disarming him and leaving him for criminals to kill him. Yeah, him a criminal, yes, but he's not convicted. Reason why I tell you that now. Alright, as me now, I have experienced similar thing happened to me in a police force. And that's a reason why I elaborate. So as I've said to you, said to you guys before. So I am not defending this man, As I've said, I'm not defending Detective Thomas's behavior as a gangster. You can't be a gangster and a police at the same time. But what we are saying is that, as we do the comparison, just with one prominent figure who have access, two of them who have access to illegal guns and militias. Militia are like a semi-military outfit. These are men who have access to illegal weapons and men who fire them rifle and kill people. And this man has been known as a violence producer. So Detective Mario Thomas, yes, try to serve two masters, and the law, and two masters and the law and the lawless, and pay with his life. You can't do that. You can't serve two masters. Yes, so so think about it. How it's acceptable to strip a police officer of his right to bear arms while allowing dangerous criminals to remain armed. Yeah, in Jamaica. So this is more than just a public policy issue. It's a matter of life and death, fairness and hypocrisy. So in the Jamaica Constabulary Force, the insidious reality is that criminals, whether corrupt officers or external threats, can manipulate the system to eliminate honest cops. I am telling you, that's me. You understand? That happened to me, where them try to eliminate me. So this manipulation often involves disarming officers, thereby making them vulnerable to assassination by criminal elements. In form of their defenselessness, I have experienced this problematic tactic on 3 occasions. Yeah, 3 separate occasions. They want them disarm me and try to make criminal kill me. But what they did not know is that I had a license firearm. I never share that with nobody. No police. No one. Yes. So one notable instance involved the late detective, Calf Walker. He was a crime officer who disarmed me twice. And and the twice him disarmed me, say I done no name Willie Agard from Jungle. Yeah. And the reason why him do that is because him and Willie Agard a friend. And Willie Agard, and it had nothing to do with me at first, it had to do with police that were, we're on a, would I say a roast, yeah, me have a contract and them thing there where, because I'm a authority and them thing there on the street in Jamaica and them thing there, so you don't know big dance and big show. I would get contracts and then me hire police and them thing there, and guess what? I was, a policeman that was feared. So if, for instance, if I get $200,000 for your dance, just throwing out a figure, and it was 5 hours. Not because of me get the contract. Everybody, can make everybody know. So hey, this is how me I get. This is how them offer me, and this is how me I give every man and them thing there. So me no give no man, me no squeeze no man a 20 and next man 30. Everybody get the same. So that's why police love to work with me and them thing there. Yeah, cause they must say, boy, cause when me I collect all the money, me call them man come and them thing there. You understand? Yeah, man, me carry them and them thing there, and we get the money and then we share it up and give everybody and them thing there, and I just saw it go. So police, police are work with me, and Willie Agard come there and want pay going, and them don't tell me already say, everybody have to pay going, and him and the police them catch up and him start this them. So me cause me stand up on them thing there, and from a distance, and I just walk up to him and whisper in him ears. And I saw him calm down and them thing, and then him jump up and say, oh, you turn labor right. I say me and a calm heel virgin. I just saw it go on them thing there. Cause although them clean, although them a bad man and them thing there, them on the street them know my reputation out on the street. So him calm down and him having big friend them. You understand? So the first time when them take on my gun and them thing there, them tell lie, yeah, Calf Walker, Police there dancing and a fire shot in her, you understand? And Willie I got yeah. So because me and him kick off and me run him and make him look small. Yeah, cause when you make all them guys they look small, hurt them ego, people are saying, what? So the man who say the man they could have, turned baby. Yeah, you understand? Cause I just whisper in him ears and make him understand certain things to him, and you understand? I mean, and the same police them when I this, in the night, like about 3:30, 4 o'clock, him and them, me see a dance, I dance and I drink champagne, and I say, wow. That's how some people I say, boy, them police are really licky for the man in this them earlier. You understand? I'm born and grow with them man. And see, although my cousin in there too and them thing there, everything did cool down on them thing because from you understand and him pay and going and I don't know if them give back him money and them thing there, but the same police but Willie I got in this in a night in about 4 when me I walk through the dance and them thing there, me and another police. And the police that me say them and Willie I got a dance and a drink and I say and the man I say even all corals and I said to me say why Porter them police they dangerous man the man they make man kill you because look how you not defend the man and see man you understand but I saw them a suck up to them man there and them thing because you understand but me not kiss up to people so what them do now yeah Willie I got and Calf walk and so them say police in I dance a fire shot say me die in I dance a fire shot so take on my gun yeah and it reached Tony with and them thing there and Tony would call and tell him say give me what my gun and them thing there cause lie that and them thing there just take up my come and work with them and take say boy me that me say me a fire shot say yeah one dirty Calf walker yeah man and Tony with less than about 30 minutes after him take on my gun him call me back and give me and I say boy but him never know say and them thing they say connected to Denzel Boyd and them thing there. You understand? And I saw Tony would get involved and me get back my gun. For that first time. So I tell you how corrupt police stay and them thing there, yeah man. So this so the second time now, I see him Willie again now. So the second time, yeah man, they was instigated again by Willie Agard, a notorious figure who filed a claim I intended to kill him. Yeah man. So next time now, see him thinking of me there, but him never can normally although I'm in charge I contract them, stay at distance and just watch what I go on and them thing. You understand? And police can whenever I work with me and them thing, you can't sell no ticket and you understand what I'm saying? Because some police are thief, Although me normally mix with them kind of police there, you understand? And me and him catch up and no, I know me and him and one of the police catch up on him at this police and as usual some of us go over to him and whisper in him ears and him tone down. So him now nobody never hear me say to him, that was just between me and him and him repeat and me not even answer him. You understand? But him just tone down and you don't know say you have all you got dance or stage one, you have whole heap of people. Boy, I don't know how people do it till then have no money for going somewhere and them want to go enjoy themselves and them stand up out there and them bleach and why I tell you? And them I say, what? I saw them police say, bad man, how Willie I got and them man they are bad man and Ray and him, you understand, so him use Calf walk along, say boy, yes, say me I kill him. And walk along, yeah man, so Calf walk along, yes. Finally, him say, yeah. Lie, this no, you understand. So walk along him confiscate my 9mm pistol and inform and then him now tell Willie Aga that I was unarmed. And I weird that I had a license firearm as a backup. My cousin Gerald Levy that a boga reveal Agad's plot to me. You understand? And then him now tell them tell them what him tell me what was happening and them thing there and so although I have my license gun and them thing there, he may just leave the island after a while. Cause you understand, police come in normally make police know where I live. Me you give them my address as me a police, me I tell them, yeah, on some police when me trust know where me really live. Hey, how you mean? That me do one them thing there. The address here me have access to this but another some me live. Me not make no police know me live, because you know, hey, police are criminal, you know, me I tell you that. So me, like say, alright, so me would live um me have access to 10 Skibo Avenue. So me use 10 Skibo Avenue as my address, but me not live at 10 Skibo Avenue. Me have clothes there, me have access to 10 Skibo Avenue. That's how me really sleep. And that's how me live. So you nah, and which part me live? Like one police. They really know me live. And one police when you get away dead. You understand? And then after a while now, yeah, Blake did know one of my place them and me stay and them thing they come. Me not make the police know me live. You understand? Him one ex-police named Harvey, them know next year they have and them thing there. Cause I just saw me run. Yeah, so me leave the country temporarily. Yeah, me left Jamaica and them thing there. And I say me now work back with Carfork. Me now work with Carfork again. So them do them investigation and you understand. So when time it reach now and Pony with and them and they find out say, you know, you understand. So through some Tony with them find out say what happened and them thing there, and them get mad and some man start look for me now and them thing there, but them couldn't find me. I'm on leave and them thing there. Me no make no police, no, me no make police no. Only one police did always know my business. One and in dead getter. That's how much me trust him and them thing there. Reason being is based on, yeah, me and Bobby work on them thing there, but you understand, I me and him be close and them thing there, but you don't know on everything, you understand what I'm saying? So Getta was the man where him know all the time I left Jamaica and when me I come and you have another virgin now where he was ex-cadet and them thing there. Yeah, my detective, I call him name. And yeah, me more time I left all my gun with him and them thing, they make him drop me at the airport and all them thing there and you know and pick me up back. And I have an ex-virgin where my businessman where live uptown and him pass away and them thing there. Yeah, where you know him lock my gun for me and carry me to the airport and how me travel and them thing there. Me not a Jamaican thing, so when them there and dig up for me and them thing, anytime them find my document, them can't do me nothing because an American document me I travel with, so them never like that. Yeah, so continue. So the harrowing, so another harrowing episode involving two of Jamaica's most infamous criminals within the force. Yeah man, former Assistant Commissioner of Police, ACP Derek Arsmouth Clappy Cowboy Knight and his accomplice, Detective Donovan O'Connor. Yeah man, they disarmed me because I refused to participate in their corrupt activities, including a robbery and murder. Yeah, let me repeat that. Yeah, so when me attack and them thing, me now to start because me I defend it criminal police. Because even honest police is happening to it. Yeah, so let me repeat myself. So former Assistant Commissioner of Police, Derek Arsmouth Clappy Cowboy Knight. This time man where Peter Bunting in a defending. I tell you, you know, yeah. After Mark Shields, that's Emily Shields' husband, that released a statement that I have written, you know, witnessing a murder and robbery, and the man give me drugs and money, I'm telling me I don't want none. And because me in a party, two me not take none of the drugs and the money now, them say me I informer, so me's a possible witness now against them. So because of that now, them I think some ways now if you kill me. I tell them say I don't want none. Imagine a man like me were born and growing up, come from poverty. And me, I first remember see so much money and drugs in my life. And I say I don't want none. You're not supposed to happy. But no, them not happy, them want to kill me. That's true, I say I don't want none. So them see me as somebody, as a potential witness against them. You understand? So that's why I don't support what they did with this policeman. If he's a criminal and them thing there, you know, you make the system work, you know, he might commit crime. But you know, the man he never convicted on a crime. Now take up for him, say my criminal, say my you understand what I'm saying, but you can't serve two masters. But as I've said to you before, it's happened to me on 3 occasions. But because not because me are a corrupt police, me are a thief, but because you mess with the wrong people them. And them people have more connection and more powers than it. And like for me now, me not run behind people. So like I leave now when them take on my gun now and them thing, the man I say, boy, I go talk to this man because you know him, man. I say no, I not go talk to no man. Yeah, and them in charge and them thing, I not go talk to nobody above them. Because me now, you understand, because that means me have to still work with them and me know that. So yeah, so as we said to you now, so former Assistant Commissioner of Police, Derek Arsmouth, Clappy, Cowboy Knight, and his accomplice, Detective Donovan Ox O'Connor. So yeah, they disarmed me because I refused to participate in their corrupt practices, their corrupt activities, including a robbery and murder. So my refusal to take part in their crimes and to accept shares of the stolen drugs and cash marked me as a traitor and a potential witness against them. So months and then I went on leave and come to United States. As usual, I travel like at least 2, 3 or 4 times for the year and everything there. You understand? So upon my return to Jamaica, I was directed to retrieve my 9mm pistol from Detective Inspector Donovan Ox O'Connor, a man known for his corrupt practices. So I refused to approach him knowing his history and the danger he posed. So I never, so I said in the office now, when them say, boy, the SOIC crime say, you forgot to talk. I say, no, I'm not going to talk to Ox, because Ox come here as a defaulter, Ox a thief. Them say Ox collect bribe in a check, and them should have arrest and charge Ox, but because Ox connected, them just put him back in a uniform and transfer him to Portland. Them time Colonel Trevor McMillan, I was Commissioner of Police when that happened. So I say Ox come and hunts me as a defaulter. I am not a defaulter. Me am not a thief in police. Me never thief yet in my life. And me am a defaulter. So how me forgot to I say Ox, when Ox come and hunts me, come see me. And me want to work with him. Me and Bobby ask to work with. And something happened one night and them thing there, and we realize I'm a fool. And me and Bobby, and him say, boy, no police never diss him, so like how me and Bobby diss him. Because I say, yeah, idiot, after you know bad police and them thing. You can't, you know what I'm saying, 1 and 2 little things. And him say, boy, him say, no police never diss him like how them 2 men diss him. So, then after that, him get Reed and Palmer for work with and them thing. Yeah. The man there, so you understand what I'm saying? Because, that's why I say, I know some man, say some police are bad police and them thing. Clown them, man. So, I just one time when him work. You understand? So after that now, I said that in the office, so me not go to him, so that hurt him ego, because him just get inspected and them thing. That hurt him ego, because now he had the DDI and cowboy now and thief in night now. He had the crime chief. So so he told them alright, I know and them ego and them thing there. You understand? I say that's how I do more work than them guys, but them guys are connected, because them guys are thief. Them are people cook and them are extort people and all kind of thing. I do that, I work. I just do my work, you understand what I'm saying? So this one I do my work, and I never have no friend in the high places because I'm a thief and get nobody nothing, because I know that I never raise them way there. So 2 weeks, so I come and work for 2 weeks, so I not on the team, and I have a gun. So that's what I'm thinking about. Me have my license on. Me no police no. So that's one of the main reason why I say FLA. That's why I wanted to go back, because once the police have it, the police not have no business, because if them didn't know say me have license gun, them want to take on my gun. So more that still there work. So that was a good thing with them do for me. So I go work for 2 weeks. Them don't know say me have gun, because I'm not telling no police, nobody, no police with me and them work. The only police who him dead was Gata. And Gata did done dead already. Not even Blake. You understand what I'm saying? Me and Bobby used to work and all them things, and not even Bobby did know say me have license gun. You understand? So I go work 2 weeks, me not have a gun. So them fee say me not have a gun, So one day so one day cowboy come in the office, say more me and him go something. So I say me not have a gun. So them say me no need no gun. I say no, me not got no road without no gun. So I tell them for give me an M16. Them say you don't need no gun. I say no, you're not gonna me not trust you for shoot for me shoot for myself. So anyway, him tell him, so give me no gun. I say alright. When they know say me have my gun and everything, I done I say, oh, anything funny, you understand what I'm saying? I know them say them a criminal, I know say them a police killer. Yeah, them a ram for kill police. Yeah man, cowboy them. Cause me hear of police where them kill already and them thing. I mean, I think remember the police them name. When him that headquarters, him use a hose and kill him, and it was cover up. You understand? Yeah. So, you know, we go up on the road and me and him drive on Walton Park Road. I go towards Mullines Road. So, in the left hand side of the road, you know, past Wayville, and I go up and towards Bay Farm. And the man tell me now, say, cowboy, I tell me, say, he might tell me, say, the operation, the murder, the robbery and the murder and everything, that was the Commissioner of Police, Francis Farb's operation. And who are going to believe me if me go tell nobody? So I said to him, say, Virgin, oh, that coming in. I say, me don't tell him from the night, say, don't get me involved, because I want to put my name in the entry. I write the truth, because I tell him already, say, I never raised them with a thief. So I can't thief as a youth. I say, up this, I say, remember, you know, I Jones so my born and go on concrete jungle. Me poor, but me have ethics. Me never raise a thief and them thing. I can't thief. Me say, on a thief, on kill the man and rob him coke and the money and them thing. I mean, I have a problem with that. I phone a thing that me just tell them, say, don't get me involved. So, oh, that is a problem to me. You understand? Me say, me not tell nobody nothing. Me not busy with uno. But uno do anything and me do my thing, and me not a thief. You understand? I must say, boy, we can't trust you. Say me can't trust me. Me not busy with uno. Uno not do anything and uno must can't sleep at night, you know. Me can't do that. You understand? And that's why me join police force, because I not like thief and criminal. And I say I see him thing why me join the police force. I do that. Me not busy with uno. So when you talk about say, boy, who are gonna believe me, and then him start telling me now how them mash up anti-crime for him. I show me him how have powers, you know. And the Commissioner of Police was Francis Farbs at the time. So I'm not busy with him, you know, I phone the thing that. And him kind of subliminally, like him threaten me and them thing. And I say, well, I can't tell you this, you know. Anyone to try to kill me, you are ox, or anyone to try to kill me. Remember, you know, if you don't succeed, you know, I tell you, anytime I come all on the dog, I kill everybody, you know, in the yard and thing, all on the dog. You understand? Because you say, you know me, stay already and thing. And him turn back and I Lancer, Mitsubishi Lancer, we not driving a tint up detective vehicle. Go back once me and him tell him to give me a 38. Yeah, so, you know, so ACP night, him tried to coerce me into compliance by taking me on a drive, you know. During which he made veiled threats, insinuated that if I reported their crimes, my allegation would be dismissed due to my rank as a constable. So he must say, nobody now gonna believe because I'm a constable. I never gonna report them to nobody. You understand? The only thing is that I had written a statement because I know say I was in them crosshairs, so them kill me. All because me never see nothing like this. All because me not take none of them coke and none of them money. Me never see so much money in my life in a plastic bag. You understand? And not hard money and them thing. Normally I have my money, I see like in a bring truck in America, them you kind of money there. You understand? Yeah. So after this confrontation, you know, literally I was demoted and given a pine tree revolver, a slug, you know. A senior detective, a man like me where do so much work in the south, so I show me now, because them in charge in a long time, him not like me, you know. Alright, so in a 1994, I tell you how bad my police, you know, in a 1990, see him clapping night. Yeah man, see him clapping night in a 1994, never forget. When him that on spear, it was a Holy Thursday, I was not in the office, you know. And the man come in the office and slam him key on the desk. This is what detective tell me, you know, and the man say, this is his words, you know. Say the blood clot when me go, you know, me can't get the bun and cheese or nothing. Everywhere them I say, porter. And me not call the detective name. Well, me can't call him name, and the detective said to him, say, you behave like you don't get pay and them thing there. Oh, porter, oh, that for bother you and them thing there. So from them time, the man tell me, say, hey, the man don't like you, you know. The man, I say, but me not nothing against the guy. But so moving on. So after them give me the 38 now, and apparent attempt to undermine my position and safety. Yeah, imagine a man like me, you know, where no one as, you know, as a hardcore detective and them thing, they give me a 38. Normally as a detective and them thing, yeah, me always have my 9, because back then when you have a matic and them thing, or even an extended clip, people know say you're an ordinary detective. And I like now where everybody have 9. Back then, you understand, when you have a 9, you have to do a certain amount of work before you even have a 9. You understand? I may have my 9 for years. All in time, some senior man they never have mine because me I work, them not work. You understand? So when them do that now and give me a slug now and them thing that you don't know, say, even a criminal I say, oh, that's 38, although you can't kill people and them thing and it's more effective than the 9 and that. People are looking at you like, why them not rate you again? Them not rate you. So that them did do. So anyway, so an apparent attempt to undermine my position and safety. So the ultimate betrayal came when they assigned me to patrol Trenchtown, Kingston 12. So they send me back to my community where I come from and, say, if you go patrol, as detective with, with uniform police, You understand? Yeah. And soldier. And so a notorious, dangerous area, hoping I would be killed. So a superintendent, him a PMP too, a PMP police, I tell about. A superintendent named Talbert White, recognizing the danger. So he refused to let me patrol, stating that he did not want my blood on his conscience. Him say, boy, him don't want my blood upon him, so him tell me now, say. So him send me now, him tell me, say, boy, I just want you, anytime you come, just go to Trenchtown and you just go upstairs in a station and sleep. You understand? So I'm going to do it like for 2 weeks and then after that, me take some leave and then them take them gun from me. Them 38 now, so according to them now, me now have no gun. No police, not even know say me have a gun. I'm on leave and, you understand? I'm for about 6 months now, so a police I'm used to working on them thing and Rock Stevens. So Rock Stevens and them my friend. That's how him think. And so apparently now, I don't know. So him call me now and tell me, say, boy, the man them say you have to come back for your gun. I say, which man them? Say, Mr. Knight. I say, oh, tell Mr. Knight to keep them. Mr. Knight and also keep them 9. I don't want no gun. Yeah, alright. So I say, oh, yeah, manager out there. I say, Bridget, then I talk to you on the phone. But not even him knows me have license gun. You understand? I like about a year or so after that. I don't know how them find out. You understand? I don't know how them find out because I never tell nobody say me have license gun. You understand? And one day I drive up on Ugly Park Road. Them man in a tin vehicle. Them not even know all my vehicle and them things. You understand? I drive up Ugly Park Road. I'm up to. And if you understand, anytime you have a car that have outstanding, if you have a black radar, you understand, everybody will know it. That's why me, as a detective and them thing there. In Jamaica, the 2 most common car them are grey and white. Grey and white. So me have a white car. You understand? And me have to go up Ugly Park Road and see the boy them run out of the TSTs. Then they rob the TSTs, spot the place. That's how above the stoplight. But I deal with them and them thing there. I think about me, I say, no, I don't want to call them boy down there and them thing there. So I try my best to always avoid unspear here because I don't want to get involved in nothing now with me and them. Yeah, so I just saw it go. So Talbert wife, as I said, I later took leave and them take on me 38. Yeah man, so I had no gun, thinking I was unarmed. Not knowing I had my license for a secret I kept for my protection. Me not trust nobody. Yeah man. So till now I start getting a call from some big man and them thing and I tell them, say, I'm a good man and you understand. Cure them talk to me, I say, nah, work back with them boy there as long as I live. Yeah man, so I just interject on them thing there. So at one point in time now, you see him ox now, that's why I'm not get the deputy superintendent of police. Any police will listen to this and just you will learn. So at one point now you have a place, I went in Jamrock, the place below Asylum. So I was in a Jamrock one day and I eat some lunch. And when I look at Ox, I see Ox, Danai Williams, Tony Brown, and Chad Flash, the 4 of them are going to a bank. I remember for Royal Caribbean or something like that, some bank in New Kingston that is on the opposite when you're in a Jamrock. And if this man which way you can see anybody where I go and come out of the bank. So I saw him and the 4 man and the 3 man them come out of the bank. Tony Brown, that time Angela Brownberg father and the most wanted man back in Jamaica. back in the 80s. And Jar Flash. And everybody like them have a gun. The two most wanted man in them two most terrorists in Jamaica, them that have like them have a gun. So anyway, later I see him there now, that on Friday, you know. Ox write me up in a diary on space, say, oh, I'm gonna look for me, and him not see me. So at the time when him write me up, you know, I saw him at the bank. Yeah man, so I just got on space. I don't know, I still have people there where I look out for me and them thing, and every little thing where them hear, them make me know. People all over and them thing, because, you understand, yeah. I'll even people in a general office and all them thing, they will keep me abreast of things, and cause I was a good police, you know, I'm a thief in police. So when some guy wants to be, I just write an entry about what I see. So the time when him say, you know, him claim that him go look for me. So when him got the bank, you know, and my time that in the pan, you know, when him claim say him go visit me, a bank him gone with the criminal him, so I write an entry about him. Yeah man, in a reading, a 2-page entry in a crime diary at Unspear, and by the time I finish the entry, I make a contact on them thing that people are special branch and all them thing there, and them come there, special branch come there, and yeah, and them copy the entry and them thing there, and I was told by someone in a PMP criminal organization where I must write a report and send it. Yeah man, and send it to the people them police service commission. Send it. Yeah man, register letter and them thing there. Yeah. And sign it. Send 4 letters, registered mail to these people. You understand? And I saw him get the black hat. All because him go tell lie on me right there, sir. So him go on Oxal go on course to get all of it, and I'm my only one to get it. And that's all I did. That's right. Yeah man, because when you speak the truth, so everything was there. Plus special branch, every time when him forget clear, that's why them dismantle special branch and can't promote some in the corrupt police. You understand? So that's why I'm not get the black hat. Oxal supposed to he was one of the police who served the longest as an inspector. Yeah man. And yeah man, even you know, when I talk about, because whenever even did go out, we never do not done them thing to make him lose his visa. Because we could have do the same thing 2 hours clapping night and 1 and 2 little things. But mother talk to me about that, so we just allow it. Him now with Ox and them thing there is all because of that same letter they took. Yeah man, people, you know, that's why I tell you, I don't know no labor right and all them things. I don't know labor right for them. So when you hear me talk and them thing there, I talk from personal experience. You understand? So I see him, because people in the PMP don't like him, you know, and them say I'm a thief, because him rob people and all them things. So I just saw it go. So when I defend the police and them thing there, him and him criminality, we just talk about say, you know, this man, Kevin Tiliba Roberts, you know, he have whole heap of gazette officer's cell phone number in him phone. So in this environment, honest officers are fighting crime and battling corrupt system that can turn on them at any moment, and that happened to me. So my survival story is a testament to the resilience and courage required to maintain integrity in the face of pervasive corruption. So the Jamaica Constabulary Force must confront these internal threats and protect those who genuinely serve justice or risk losing the foundation of law and order. So this is my story and the call to action for a systemic change, accountability and the protection of those who dare to stand against corruption. Imagine a system where those who are supposed to protect us are disarmed while those who spread fear and violence continue to wield power. How can we as a society stand for this? How can we accept that our government prioritizes the rights of drug dealers and gang leaders over those of law enforcement officers who risk their lives daily? So see man there. So because Kevin Tiliba Roberts is politically connected to Senator Peter Bunting, an high-ranking deputy commissioners of police, where is the justice and equality in the situation? So this is a man who's a drug dealer, you know, gang leader, who is responsible for allegedly the death of many Jamaicans in southern Clarendon and elsewhere. Time of a militia, you know, with AK and all them things there. And even last year, in December, when him keep him dance down there, I give him a bit. The men with AK rifle and M16 walk in the dance and man them fight and him have the PIU in pocket. And this is a man in time him a transport all him large amount of coke. I've seen police him get face escorted. Clarendon police, PIU, yeah. So they would drive from Clarendon and carry the coke back Manchester and all kind of things. Yeah, and him have him safe house and them thing there. And the same police then protect him. I don't know how narcotics don't catch him as yet or what. Same police in him pocket, you know. So we just continue the journey. So this is my story, you know, call to action for systemic change, accountability and the protection of those who dare to stand against corruption. So one of the main reasons why I always burn fire upon the Indicom Act because these are the things, injustice, you understand how them, you know, how them can just take away your gun. So that's why you want things to change. In America and them thing there, the police can't make you take away your gun or nobody. You have to really commit, you have to commit yourself. Convicted of a crime or some domestic abuse or you have some charges pending against you for violence and them feel like, you know, you're a threat to others. But in Jamaica now, a man can just like you must come up with that thing and just take away your gun. I just saw it go. You understand? So, you know, moving on. So we need to ask ourselves, where's the justice in this? For some people, they're no business. You know, how can we just assist in that seem to protect a very individual who destroy communities like this man? And this isn't just about Detective Thomas. It's about every law-abiding citizens who look to the authorities for safety and security. You know, so those, you know, so it's through open dialogue that we can address these injustices. You know, so your input is valuable, highlighting the urgency of this dramatic showdown. So, you know, we will come out on top. So let's ensure it's justice and equality. Let's fight for a system that protects the innocent and hold the guilty accountable. So this man, Kevin Tiliba Roberts, is one of Jamaica's most notorious cocaine dealer and gang leader with frightening easy access to nearly 100 illegal guns. Can you fathom how many lives he is allegedly responsible for ending? The sheer number of deaths linked to his name is staggering. Yet, the police have him as a violence producer. You know? Yeah, man. Him a violence producer. See him Tiliba. Him a whole heap of police. I people them in a Clarendon and Manchester. You understand? I don't know this man, and he may know me. But him can't say, I lie me, I tell upon him. If you notice, I don't even use the word allege. Yes, I don't use the word allege. That this man is a drug, this man never worked a honest day in his life. I tell you that. This man is a drug dealer. Yeah. And him have like, I'm connected to Peter Bunting, that's why I'm a film gun. You know, you understand what I'm saying? But yet this policeman, because him not a political coverage, him just take him gun. Man say, boy, him involved in this. And look how many people Tiliba make dead as a Clarendon. One time in a 1 month, 7 people dead down there. You understand? And it linked right back to him. 7. And him still a 2 license on him, have drive with them Benz and them thing. And him have police in him pocket of Clarendon car through them licky. You understand? I just saw it go. So as we said now, you know, can you fathom how many lives he is allegedly responsible for ending? The sheer number of deaths linked to him, his name is staggering. And yet, incredibly, he's allowed to possess only 2 licensed firearms. Why? Because Kevin Tiliba Roberts is politically connected to influential figures like Senator Peter Bunting and high-ranking deputy commissioners of police. So where's the justice in this? Where is the equality? How can we stand by and watch as the scales of justice tip so heavily in favor of known criminals, while ordinary citizens live in fear? This is not just a miscarriage of justice. It is an outright betrayal of the public trust. Detective Mario Thomas tried to serve two masters, the law and the lawless. In the end, it cost him his life. The tragic loss underscored the perilous tightrope our law enforcement officers walk daily. They strive to uphold the law, yet they see notorious criminals shielded by the system meant to protect the innocent. So picture this, a society where drug lords and gang leaders not only operate with impunity, but are granted the same rights as those who uphold the law. Just think about that. So that means you don't pay in Jamaica for you uphold the law. Because this man, him just wanna where I use him as an example, you know. Yeah man. How can we accept this? How can we all accept this blatant disrespect for justice to continue? It's a slap in the face to every victims of violence and every family torn apart by crime. We must demand answers and call for accountability. The lives lost and the bloodshed must not be in vain. This is a call to action for the sake of justice, for the sake of equality, for the sake of every life touched by this corruption. So our awareness is the first step towards change. Together we can fight for a system that holds the guilty accountable and protect the innocent. Let's not allow the sacrifice of Detective Mario Thomas be forgotten. Yeah, him never did, Thomas never convicted of any crime. When I defend him, so not because him name call up and all them things, that means to say, you can't, a man is innocent until proven guilty. But they must say him guilty until proven innocent. Yeah, and so they are treated. And just sad. It's really, really sad. So we tell you everything. So we know many corrupt police officers use their position to enrich themselves through extortion and corruption, robbing people of drugs and properties. But this must end. Their criminality, though rampant, is entirely different. They are a stain on the integrity of the force, using their ranks to perpetrate crime and corruption. So we just keep exposing these grave injustices. So as we tell you, together we can fight for a system to hold the guilty accountable and protect the innocent. We can do that. Detective Constable Thomas and Constable Fidel Beckford, let their story be a catalyst for more just and equitable society. Both police officers try to serve the lawless and the law, and them get eaten. You can't serve two masters. It's either you're a police or you're a gangster. You can't choose to be a police and a gangster. And yet, I have never done even quarter with him police do anything involving corruption and criminality. I was, being targeted because I was incorruptible. I know all kind of people, because I get them a ban and go. I know all people from me are 10 and all them things there, and when me are police, I know so them kill them friend. And I ask them about it, and from that me and them not talk. Yeah, them best friend, people not even know that. So you understand, and them go to prison and come back until them kill them in Jamaica. Me not talk to them. You understand? I just saw it go. Me have certain principle about me, not because I know you and all them things. No, me not bias in my thinking. Me deal with justice. You understand? Me know say a man him do him thing, but that don't mean to say because you do your thing or because me know you mean to say boy, even when you're wrong, you're right. I know something you do it. I gotta tell you. So if you vex with me, I just say it. So we are all at risk in a society where justice is compromised and corruption thrive. We must stand together, demand accountability, and fight for the integrity of our institutions. The sacrifices of those who have fallen should not be in vain. It's time to rise, expose the rot within, and reclaim our nation from the grip of corruption and violence for the sake of every innocent life, for the future of our children and the preservation of justice and equality. We must act now. The time for change is here, and it starts with us. So if we want a better Jamaica, we have to just stand up and defend this. We know that, as they say, one person armed with the truth, can change the world. One person. You understand? But you know how it is. Most people, them afraid to talk up. Them afraid, them don't want nobody label them, so them are informer. Yeah, even yours truly, police label me, say me an informer. Yeah. Oh, you are a detective or them thing, you are going to label me as informer because your friend commit robbery and murder and me talk and you don't want nothing to do with me. You're not supposed to embrace me as police. So that me I tell you, that's why I tell the people them say, you can't trust the police them. Yes, and me can't tell you your name my police them too. Them serve them a detective right now. One of them that MID. Yeah man. One of them that MID. And because she get the inspector from through clapping night. Yeah man, she leave me say me an informer. So me don't know what she do in her police work. Or if you have police, you are an informer. If you are police and you are an informer, that means you're a criminal, you're not supposed to be in a police force. Because them are defend clapping night and ox. How dare me if you got talk so much crime them commit and want me witness. If you shut my mouth. You understand? And me all get up boy and all of a sudden me become angel. I don't believe in a robbery and them thing. I don't believe police are supposed to rob nobody and kill them. I just mean that they have a conscience. And I have no problem for send criminal to the departure alone. But for rob and kill somebody, I can't do that a bridge me can't cross Rasta. You know, our man sleep, because I know say all of them money there where them did get, how many decades now, that done. Done. Yeah man, so what was it for? What was it for? So you're not a police, you're a criminal. And you out there, you laugh and people laugh and review. And them know so on a thief, but them not go talk because them don't want to be, them want to be on a friend. And that's why the corruption is pervasive in the police force, because others embrace these people. And them can't differentiate between wrong and right and know say wrong is wrong and right is right. As I stated before and I say again, I have no problem to get with that criminal. Yeah man, preemptive strike save lives. I just mean that. But I don't believe in the police to rob people. It no matter if me have the greatest, that's why you have a uniform police when I'm Donovan Mackay. Me always have the greatest respect for the police there. Them call him Kirchhoff. Yeah. The reason why I respect him and them thing is because he's a thief. I tell you that one uniform police named Kirchhoff. Yeah, what the police and them thing that way. Even, although them them related to them related to a family member of mine and them thing there. And, yeah, but you see when you're a thief and them thing there, it made us lose respect for you. Like police with thief and them thing there. And then now when them thief now, although they don't know if the police force, people want to kill them. Then when you get there, you tell them, say, boy, say people want to kill you and them thing there. And you feel so bad for you, say you have to tell a man because that's true the thief and them thing there. I received that threat even on Facebook where, I send it to all Blake and them thing where people say, say boy, I made this and that to them brother and all kind of thing. And when you come onto my life, you have to defend my life. I don't know how them do it, but this is the Jamaica where they want the people to embrace, and you know what, not. If you want a better Jamaica, you have to stand up for it. The people who destroy Jamaica, the same people who call politicians them, and them same one have the corrupt police in them pocket. It's just sad. Injustice anywhere. It affects justice everywhere, you understand. We have to stand for something. When you stand for something, we fall for anything. One thing the police can't tell you about me, the man can't say me thief. I'm try to shade on nobody. I don't believe in that. Anything where the only thing where you can't hear people say about me and them thing, and some of them are lie and them thing there, You understand? Because you heard even a man make a video say me kill a soldier and them thing there. I see if you at the time that I'm in America, I have to answer him. But I just saw it go on them thing because people don't like me because I was a no nonsense police. So I defend me, I defend Detective Mario Thomas. And just the way all the system operates with it. Him a criminal. Yes, the police force could have find way and anything if they kick him out, you know. But you understand, but not because the man not come in, you know, arrest and charge him with anything and you just take them guns just in America, even drugs dealer, I tell you, in America, alright, look, see it? Tell you about a big drugs dealer and gang leader. Police, them have that intelligent. But you tell him have a nice gun. So them not take a film gun. You make that make sense to me now. Make that make sense to me and tell me say justice. Have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica, Young Police Channel, out.